Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You begin by confirming Mac OS version and available storage so the app will run without issues. Once done, download the official VPN installer from the provider you picked. Do not use unknown sources. Make sure you have your admin password and an active internet connection before launching the installer. You'll be prompted for permissions. Grant network extension access when asked. This early setup prevents permission blocks and speeds the rest of the process. Open the VPN application and sign in with your account details. This links your Mac to the service and unlocks server lists. Next, pick a server location based on speed or purpose. Closer for speed, different country for geo-unblocking. If the app lets you choose a protocol, opt for the recommended default for balance of speed and security. Enable features like kill switch and auto-connect to protect traffic and avoid accidental exposure when switching networks. After connecting, verify that your IP and DNS are changed using a quick leak test to confirm protection. If the VPN fails to connect, quit the app, restart your Mac's network, turn Wi-Fi off and on, then reopen the app. That often resolves routing issues. If problems persist, reinstall the VPN client to refresh permissions or contact support with logs. One key tip: temporarily disable other network tools like proxies or firewalls that can block VPN traffic.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.